For this question, to do factor by grouping, it's best if I just show you here how we do this. Alright, so the grouping is kind of what lets you know that we need to take this and we look at it as two groups of two terms. Alright, and most of these are already in a way such you just take the first two terms and the second two terms. So we're going to take and factor 4x squared plus 16x. And when I write this out in class and teach it, I put a lot of space here so we do see that there's two groups. Alright, so first we factor this first group, so we can take a 4 and an x out of that. So when I take a 4x away from x, 4x squared, I'm left with just an x. And when I take 4x into 16x, I just get 4. Alright, so I factored the first group. Now in the second group, I can factor a 3 out of these here. So I'm going to factor out a 3, and 3 goes into 3x times, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. Alright, just a word here to comment on this. This problem doesn't have it, but if this is negative, if that leading term is negative, then you factor out a negative. Alright, so just in case a future problem comes up and has that on it. Alright, so if that's negative, we'll factor out a negative, but it's still 3. Alright, so now what we look at is we realize that in this first group I have factored out an x plus 4, and in this second group I factored out x plus 4. So therefore I can bring x plus 4 from this term here, and I'm left with 4x. And when I take x plus 4 from this term, I'm left with plus 3. And then that's how we get the final answer, which is showing right here.